Babamdala stand. Who is popular between Mao Sampa and Edgar Lungu? It's obviously Edgar Lungu. That's not even a question. And Edgar Lungu is more popular than anybody else. He's even more popular than HH himself. That's why HH is dancing pelete, trying to stop Edgar Lungu by any means. And anybody who speaks well or talks to Edgar Lungu gets upset. With the other people, we are working together with all the MPs, Wamundubire and the others. And we are trying, in principle, we want to unite. We are uniting and we want to work as one unity. Between now and the next election, PF will be united and they'll field one candidate. If they'll field Mao, again, it's not up to me, remember. The party is owned by all the MPs, all the councillors, those that are loyal to the party, and the grassroots here, the districts, the constituents, the wards in Nakonde, and everywhere else around the 156 constituencies of Zambia. We are the only party who are represented everywhere. Our members are stuck and just waiting for the next general election. They will decide. If they think Mao Sampa, we are all united. We want President Lungu to stand. But if by any means he is stopped, like they've already started, but the matter is taken back to court, officially the one that should stand is Mao Sampa. I'm happy.